Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a lower ball joint. Before beginning any automotive repair, safety is paramount. Always ensure your vehicle is securely supported on jack stands, never just a jack. Disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent any electrical surprises. Gather all your tools, including a ball joint press, sockets, and a torque wrench. Don't forget your personal protective equipment like safety glasses to keep yourself safe throughout the process. Now let's get to the disassembly. First, remove the wheel and tire to expose the lower suspension. Locate the lower ball joint and remove its cotter pin and castle nut. You'll need a ball joint separator tool to safely pop the joint free from the steering knuckle. Once separated, carefully detach the lower control arm from the frame, which might involve removing a few bolts. Take your time and keep track of all hardware. With the old ball joint out, it's time for the new one. Begin by thoroughly cleaning all mounting surfaces to ensure a perfect fit. Use your ball joint press to carefully install the new lower ball joint into the lower control arm. Once seated, reattach the control arm to the vehicle's frame, tightening all bolts. Finally, connect the new ball joint to the steering knuckle and secure it with a brand new castle nut and cotter pin. You're almost done. Now, torque the new castle nut to the manufacturer's exact specification, which is often around 103 foot-pounds. Reinstall the wheel and tire, making sure the lug nuts are tightened correctly. It's crucial to get a professional wheel alignment done after this repair to ensure proper handling and tire wear. Finally, double-check every bolt and nut you touch to confirm everything is secure before taking your vehicle for a test drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.